Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to connect your Cash App to your YouTube channel. First, open your Cash App on your phone. Tap on your profile in the top right corner. Here you will see your account name. Under your account name, you will find your cash tag. Read it carefully and keep it in your mind. Next, open a web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type cash.app/your cash tag and press enter. This will open a page with a QR code of your Cash App profile. You can use this QR code to share with others so they can donate or send you money. Now copy the URL of this page. Then, go to YouTube and click on your profile icon. Select your channel and then choose the option to customize channel. Inside the customization menu, scroll down to the link section. Click on Add Link, type a title for the link, and paste the URL you copied from Cash App. After that, save your changes. Once you have done this, your viewers will be able to see your Cash App link on your channel. They can click it to send you money or support your work. Thanks for watching.